lost in translation at the pyramids. Jack had dreamed of visiting Egypt ever since he saw a documentary about the pyramids as a kid. Now, finally, he had arrived in Cairo, ready for adventure. There was just one problem. He had no idea how to get to the pyramids. Standing outside Cairo International Airport with his backpack and a sun hat that was already too big for his head, he decided to ask for directions. He approached a taxi driver and confidently said, "Hello, pyramids?" The driver smiled and replied in Arabic. Jack had no idea what he just said, but he nodded anyway. The driver opened the car door. Okay, Jack thought. This seems promising. The taxi sped off into the chaotic Cairo traffic, weaving between cars, buses, and even a donkey cart. Jack clung to his seatbelt. After about 20 minutes, the car stopped. Jack looked out the window. Instead of the famous pyramids, he saw a pizza restaurant. This is not the pyramids," he said slowly. The driver pointed at the sign. It read, "Pyramids Pizza." Jack groaned. No, not pizza, the pyramids, the big ones. Ancient, pharaohs, mummies." He made a pyramid shape with his hands, then wrapped himself like a mummy for extra effect. The driver laughed, nodded, and started the car again. "Ah, yes, pyramids!" Jack sighed with relief. Finally! 15 minutes later, the taxi stopped again. Jack looked out and saw a shopping mall called Pyramids Mall. "Oh, come on." Jack smacked his forehead. The driver grinned. "Pyramids!" Jack shook his head frantically. "No, the real pyramids, the big triangle buildings, the desert, camels, Sphinx, Egypt history." He made exaggerated hand gestures like a camel walking, the Sphinx sitting, and a pyramid standing tall. The driver's face lit up. "Ah! Pyramids!" Jack crossed his fingers. "Please let this be the right one." 30 minutes later, the taxi stopped again. Jack got out and gasped. At last! The Great Pyramids of Giza! He turned to thank the driver, but the car had already zoomed away. Jack shrugged. He was finally here. He took a deep breath, feeling the warm desert air, the weight of history, and then a camel pushed him from behind. Jack stumbled forward, turning around to see a grinning camel owner. "Camel ride, sir?" Jack sighed. "Sure, why not? But please, no more pyramids that sell pizza." The camel owner laughed. "No pizza. Just camel, but maybe later you try pyramid ice cream?" Jack groaned. This was going to be a long day.